Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Chevy Trax, and on this Chevy Trax we're going to go over how you would add windshield washer fluid. So your windshield washer fluid reservoir is located right here. We have the windshield washer symbol. Most of the time these are blue. This one happens to be black, but we just know that we have the windshield washer fluid symbol. And this is on the left side of the engine compartment, which is the driver's side. Right behind the headlight is where this is located. And so then you'll just be able to pop this cap, put your windshield washer fluid in here, whichever brand you like for your vehicle, and then fill this up, and then you can just replace the cap. Now if this was full and you're still not getting windshield washer fluid out of the wipers to wash your windows, you'll want to start looking into diagnosis of whether maybe the pump has gone bad, that pumps it out of this reservoir, or fuses that you may need to take a look at. And so that's where you would add your windshield washer fluid. And thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.